Assalamu alaikum, this is me Ahtisham and you watching my YouTube channel Wills the Lingua Expert. I'm the expert trainer of IELTS, PTE, OET, IELTS Life Skills and other English language proficiency exams. In this video, we're going to learn the concept of present progressive or present continuous. So let's get to begin today's session. The formula construction of present continuous is we use a subject and afterwards we use a verbal auxiliary, that is be. In the present we will treat it as is, am, are according to the subject, and with them we use the ing form or present participle form of the verb, and after that we use extension. So let's get to have the first application of present continuous or present progressive. The first application is that present progressive shows ongoing actions at the time of speaking in the present times. I'll give you two examples. The first example is you all are learning English now. So this action at the time of speaking is in continuation form, and I make the construction with subject plus be is MR plus ing form of the verb, which is present participle, and plus extension. So in this example, you all are learning English now. You can see that this action at the time of speaking is in continuation. The second example of this application is I'm sitting at the moment. So here you can also see that this action at the time of speaking is in progressive form. If I want to turn this sentence into negative, then I would only add not after be, which is am, are, before ing form of the verb, that I'm not sitting at the moment. And if I want to turn it into confirmative question, so am I sitting at the moment, or in informative case, why am I sitting at the moment? Now let's talk about the application number 2. Present progressive expresses the ongoing or continuous actions but not exactly at the time of speaking. How? The formula remains same, but the example would be these days I'm working on a special project. So here you see that these days you're actually not working on the project at the moment, but you say that these days I'm working on a special project, and here it refers that at the time of speaking that action is not in progressive form. And the second example, I'm teaching at university. So I'm teaching at university. At the time of speaking, you're not teaching at university, but you say I am teaching at university. Now let's get to have the third application of present progressive. Present progressive refers to the actions which are going to happen in near future. For example, we are visiting our hometown this weekend. So this weekend is a planned one, and it refers to a near future that we are visiting, we are traveling to. So here in this sentence, it refers to the actions which are going to happen in near future. And the second example is I'm having a meeting after this session. So here it also refers to an action that is going to take place in near future. Now let's get to have the last usage or application of present progressive. Present progressive expresses repetition of any action with always and constantly. For example, she is always complaining. So here she has a habit of complaining, and that is a repeated action that happens in the present time. So you say that she is always complaining. And the second example with constantly, they are constantly taking part in every sport competition. This also refers to a repeated action. I hope that present progressive is clear to all of you. If you still have any query with respect to present continuous or present progressive, you may feel free to type your query in the comment box below, and I will try my level best to give you feedback. If you have liked my video, please do like and share, and also subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you inshallah in the next video with present perfect. Till then, Allah Hafiz.